thank you very much for coming. Thank you for your beautiful talks at the conference. Would you two just tell us a little bit about your academic careers, how you got into this kind of research, and what your current projects are?
Okay. So I got my undergraduate degree in psychology at Florida State University, and as part of my undergraduate training, I was working in the lab, and we were studying taste preferences in rodents, and we were looking at different combinations of fats and sugars and those sorts of things. After that, I went to graduate school at the University of Washington and then University of Cincinnati, and kind of continued the ingestive behavior type thing. And then I did a postdoc at Johns Hopkins University in psychiatry, where I worked with both humans and animals. We were doing human research in anorexia nervosa. And then I'm currently at Purdue, where we do both anorexia work and we also do ketogenic diet work.
Oh, great.
So I was trained as a medical doctor, indeed, so I'm a general practitioner by training. However, I never planned to become one because I was quite into research in my time as I was a student, and luckily that's exactly how it happened to my, let's say, life career. So I did my PhD. I'm still in Moscow, working on individual variability in stress response in mice and rats, and then got a postdoc position in Strasbourg and then in Hamburg, Germany. And so I spent some quite time in Germany, actually working in translational research, where I gained most of my experience. And
Can you talk a little bit German?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wir können noch
Ja, aber nicht so, aber ich arbeite jetzt wieder in
Okay.
Niederlanden und schon
Okay, okay. So we can switch back to English.
And in fact, yes, so that was great fun because I had the chance to work on different models. It was a model of stress-induced depression, it was a model of the TPH2 deficiency-related aggression. So it was now work on the dietary-related, let's say, changes in brain physiology, neurobiology, and I like to use also pharmacological challenges in animals. And yes, it was really very productive time.
What about your current projects? What are you working right now?
Okay, so currently we're working on looking at sex differences in the effects of different diets. So we've done a lot of work with ketogenic diets in males, and we, like a lot of people, failed to include females in our studies. And so we're looking at different patterns of weight gain, different patterns of adiposity, deposition, and differences in responsivity to different signals that tell you to increase your food intake or decrease your food intake. We're also looking at ketogenic diets and their relationship to stress and affective disorders. There's recently been a lot of data showing a relationship between diet and depression and diabetes, and so one thing that we've been looking at is perhaps ketogenic diet and its influence on psychological functioning. And then the other side of what we do is we use an animal model of anorexia nervosa, and we look at developmental consequences of undernutrition in adolescence and how that kind of programs the brain to be a more anxious brain in adulthood, so that comorbidity between eating disorders and affective disorders.
So that's very interesting. It's such a combination of nutrition and psychology. It's very cool. And what about your current project?
Currently, we're trying to investigate neurobiology behind these differential effects of partial genetic deficit of serotonin transporter in comparison to the effects of complete lack of the serotonin transporter. So we're hoping to find out whether this mechanism can be targeted in any way. So, and kind of maybe work on some therapeutic interventions. And the other line of studies we try to test insulin receptor sensitizers that would potentially improve way the body copes with negative effects of Western diet.
Okay, thank you very much. And the last question is a bit of a funny one. It's because of our seminar, it's on the behavioral science of animals mostly. So if you could choose to be a different species than you are today, so not human, what kind of animal would you be? Or what kind of species would you be?
Do you want to go first?
So, well, I still like humans best, but okay, if this would be not an option, I would rather become a bird. So just, well, I would be able to fly.
Yeah, that's a cool.
Free
Yeah.
and to have nice views, maybe in mountains, maybe in clouds. That would be my dream.
Good idea.
So I'd have to go with some sort of marine animal, and I'm going to just go with dolphin. So I spend as much time as I can possibly spend and get away from work at the beach. So that's
Obvious
an
choice.
environment that I prefer. So easy one.
That's great. So thank you very much for the interview, and I'm hoping you enjoy your evening and the rest of the seminar, of course.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.